In the realm of digital creativity, a single tool stands out, boasting an impressive array of features designed to transform ordinary mobile content into extraordinary multimedia experiences. This tool, my friends, is none other than the CupCut app. CupCut, an innovative mobile application, has carved out a unique niche in the world of mobile editing. This app, available for both iOS and Android devices, is a one-stop solution for all your video editing needs, taking your creativity to unprecedented heights. From trimming and cutting clips to adding elegant transitions, CupCut is the magic wand that turns your raw footage into a captivating story. At the heart of CupCut lies its user-friendly interface, a design marvel that seamlessly merges sophistication with simplicity. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a novice, CupCut's intuitive layout ensures a smooth editing journey, making the process of crafting a masterpiece as enjoyable as the final result. Dive into the world of CupCut's features and you'll discover a treasure trove of editing tools. From basic functions like cutting, trimming, and merging clips to advanced features like speed control, CupCut has got you covered. But that's not all. CupCut takes a step further, offering a plethora of filters and effects to add a touch of pizzazz to your videos. Unleash your inner artist and paint your stories with vibrant hues, subtle tones, or dramatic contrasts. The choice is yours. CupCut also scores high on the scale of versatility, catering to a diverse range of content creation. Whether you're looking to create an engaging travel vlog, a thrilling sports highlight reel, or a heartwarming family montage, CupCut provides the perfect canvas to bring your vision to life. Another standout feature of CupCut is its music library. With a vast collection of tracks spanning various genres, CupCut's music library is like a jukebox that sets the perfect rhythm for your videos. From upbeat tunes that get your heart pumping to soothing melodies that stir your soul, CupCut's music library is the secret ingredient that adds an extra layer of emotion to your videos. In the world of mobile video editing, CupCut is more than just a tool. It's a gateway to an immersive realm of creativity, a platform that empowers you to weave stories, evoke emotions, and create content that resonates with your audience. So, don't just sit on the sidelines. Step into the spotlight and make your mark in the digital world. Download the CupCut app today and start your journey towards becoming a mobile editing maestro. With CupCut in your hands, every video is a potential masterpiece waiting to be unveiled. Don't keep it waiting. The stage is set, the spotlight is on, and your audience is waiting. It's time to unleash your creativity with CupCut.